I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! So, check natin yung mga manifestations ninyo, no? Manifestations can be regarding a person, your romance. It could also be friendship. It could also be your career, wealth, no? Health, family, what have you. Kung ano itong minamanifest ninyo. It could also be, business. Let's check. So, wow. I'm seeing you're giving birth to a new idea, no? It can also be something that you're literally wanting to give birth, no? Either manganganak ka, fertility kasi means, in literal form, of course, no? Ovulations, pagbubuntis, panganganak, ayan. In spiritual world, it can also be meaning na merong ideas na lalabas or probably mada-download mo and it felt like, ito kaya ang dapat or pwede kong gawin or ito ba ang signs na hinihingi ko para ma-achieve ko, no? Kung ano man itong minamanifest ko. With the Hierophant. So, ang nakikita natin dito, yes, it could be. Meron kasi tayong mga ginagawa, sabihin natin na either hindi akma, either may mali, or it can be a karagdagang information, no? For you to achieve your goal. It could be a little faster. It could also be para ma-reroute, no? Or mapadali natin. Yeah, ma-reroute itong parang flow, no? Into either something greater, baka mamaya nag-expand na rin ang ating manifestations, baka this is something that, parang merong ibinibigay sa universe na, there's something more, no? Would you love to have this instead of this, no? With the Knight of Pentacles, kasi ang nakikita natin dito, parang sabi ng universe ito, stock up ka na dyan. Stock up ka na dyan. No? Parang ang tagal-tagal mong ginagawa, kailangan meron na tayong improvements. No? Baka kasi din, iba yung sinasabi ng utak, iba yung sinasabi ng galaw, iba yung sinasabi ng puso. With the Moon, baka iba-iba. No? With the Moon card, ay kasi may mga doubts ka rin. So, doubts, fears, parang kinakalaban mo rin yung sarili mo. Alam mo yung tulak ng bibig, kabig, tulak ng bibig, kabig ng dibdib, parang ganon. No? Iba yung sinasabi mo, let's say positive yung sinasabi mo, and the negative naman yung nararamdaman mo. So, paano ibibigay sa'yo, no? Ika nga doon sa ating pagkakaintindi sa yung manifestations na yan, no? Dapat, or law of attraction, no? Dapat aligned yung utak, yung bibig, at yung feelings natin. So, magkakagulo-gulo talaga yan. Iba yung nasa isip mo, whether it is probably you may need to reevaluate, meditate. Ano ba yung subconscious ko? No? Ano ba yung buka ng bibig ko? Let's say, marami gusto mo magkaroon ng pera. Tapos laging merong Lagi ang bukang bibig mo, ay hindi ko yan mabibili kasi wala akong pera. So may contradiction, no? Pwede mong sabihin siguro in a nice way, no? Meron akong pera, hindi pa lang sapat. Huwag yung walang-wala, as in wala akong pera. Yun kasi naririnig, parang, oh sige, wala kang pera, sabi ni universe. Dahil sinabi mo yan, your wish is my command. Ito pa ang mga susunod na araw na wala kang pera, no? Mas magandang, mabibili ko yan, no? Mabibili ko yan, no? Bibilin ko yan. Hanggang doon na lang. Period, no? Or mapapasakin yan. Hanggang doon na lang. Period. Hindi yung madami ka pang chika, no? Na, mabibili ko yan. Or, naku, ang mahal naman yan. Kaya ko ba yan? No? So, paano na yung damdamin natin kasi gusto natin magkaroon ng maraming, o yung isip natin gusto natin magkaroon ng maraming pera, for example, no? Yung puso mo, sinasabi ng puso mo, hindi mo kaya. So yung parang dinadown mo na rin yung damdamin mo, no? Yung feelings mo na, ay, hindi ko kakayanin, no? So, if you're practicing manifestations, you know what I'm trying to say, no? Yung mga, sabihin natin, mga bago pa lang dito sa manifestations, then probably we may need to expand, no? Or lagi tayong gagawa ng readings when it comes to manifestations. Gawin natin general. Again, katulad sabi ko kanina, pwede siyang tao, pwede siyang relationship, family, pwede siyang abundance, no? Pwede siyang peace of mind, pwede siyang health, wealth, what have you. Sa mga naggustong gumaling, no? Sinasabi mo lang, gusto kong gumaling. Gagaling ako. Pero yung puso mo naman, iba naman yung sinasabi. So, may contradiction. Aray ko, nangihinak ako. Ay, naku, parang yung isip mo naman, lalala pa kaya to. O di parang sinasabi ng universe, okay, your wish is my command, no? Please make sure aligned lahat. Okay? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person, or you rather, no? This might be your sun sign or a placement in your chart. Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my... You want the